I'm not necessarily saying that there's one root cause, but not looking deep enough to really address the bigger picture of how the pain or dysfunction was there in the first place.
Absolutely. You know, after working with you, this is why I'm so excited to launch this podcast. I'll put it up on the screen for everyone because
Mm-hmm.
this is just, super cool. But I think, what I've learned is really it comes back to your philosophy. And I want to ask you that question in just a second. So I'm going to give
Yeah.
the teaser now that you can join us on October 7th. It's on a Wednesday night at 7 p.m. The show will go for a little over an hour. And Dr. Wyman, you're going to be talking about cracking the